Ano naman yung mga nagiging challenges nyo in running the Gen Zs?
Dami. Kaya higa muna ako ha.
Oo.
Sa tanong mo. Iniisip kasi nila masyadong over parang flowery. Masyadong ang word na entrepreneurship. Pero for me, being an entrepreneur or being a businessman is a calling. Alam mo naman ang calling, once pumasok ka, wala nang atrasan.
Oo, correct.
So, a lot of religious leaders, calling nila yun. So, pag sinabing calling, it's not about your passion anymore. It's not about your happiness anymore. Whether mahirapan ka, whether happiness yan or hardship, you need to be there. So, a lot of people, yun nga, kaya nahirapan mag-business kasi spirit talaga, entrepreneurship spirit eh. So, ang dami naming mga struggles. Number one, ang creating system. Of course, as a business person, alam mo kung dati na nag-aahente ako, nag-ibenta-benta, ang iniisip ko lang is, I need to sell and I just get the commission.
Yes.
Pero nung nagnegosyo ako, napakarami palang factors.
Oo.
Kailangan mo ng documentation from SEC to BIR. Magpa-file ka pa ng tax every month. Kailangan alam mo yung dollar rule.
Yes.
So aside from that, renta, saan ko kukuha ng pang-ano ng renta? Maswerte nga ng mga employees kasi whatever happens, may sweldo sila because it's their right. Pero pag negosyante ka, minsan lugi-lugi ka na, kailangan mo pa rin magpasweldo. You don't have any choice.
Yes.
So, hindi rin porket na nag-e-expand ng Gen Zs right now, walang problema. Most of the time, pag nag-e-expand ka, dyan mas lalong magkakaroon ng maraming problem. You acquire ng clients, mas maraming nakakakilala sa'yo, na gusto na nilang maging part o gusto magbumili ng products mo. So, the more na sabi nga ni Spider-Man the more power, the more responsibility.
Yes.
And you have more employees, if you have more product lines that kailangan mag-provide sa market, mas malaki yung responsibilidad mo. So, in terms of responsibility, in terms of finances, in terms of saan ba kukunin yung pera for expansion, in terms of the decision-making, ano na sa tao? Ang hirap talaga i-handle.
Yes.
Kasi in terms of the system and automation, pwedeng program lang yan. But people are different. But we need to take care of our people. Taking care of our people is isa sa pinaka-struggle namin. And so far naman, because of IAM Plus, natutulungan naman kami on organizational development. So, merong problema naman, normal lang sa negosyo. We're here to solve problems internally and externally. So, normal naman siya.